zombies are coming, guys. Are you tired?
We were staying in the penthouse suite of the Hound Hotel in Somyeon, which came equipped with its own pool and hot tub. We decided to walk around the area to look for something to eat. We decided on pasta.
Get it. Turn up. Whip it.
Clearly, we can't be taken anywhere. We're about to shoot guns.
They're about to shoot guns.
We're about to shoot guns!
I'm excited.
I'm excited too.
No.
I've never shot a gun before.
Watch. I'm excited to see how you
Hi!
Your name, your cell phone, your birthday. Your position like this, and like this. Yeah.
We were excited and nervous to shoot guns, but the experience was so much fun.
You done good though. Show us. Okay, so they're gonna change guns and shoot opposite. FBI, police, if you need hitters, holler at my friend.
Kat and I both shot 20 bullets each, 10 on a Beretta and 10 on a Glock 9mm. So I'm basically a shooter or whatever.
Yeah. Oh my.
It was so good.
Very good.
It wasn't as scary as I thought.
Same.
But definitely, if you need to practice your aim.
Would you recommend it?
I
Yeah,
would.
for sure.
Yeah.
Kat.
Is this girl okay?
It seems like Busan is where all the cool cats stay. All the cool kids stay, like the boys with tattoos and...
Okay.
I think it's cool.
It is cool. It's very different than Seoul, I think. On Friday night, we explored the town, got a couple of drinks, and chilled out in a nice Jamaican bar that was playing good music.
You wake up, yeah, and I set an alarm because I was like, okay, how can I get Kayla now?
On Saturday morning, we grabbed something quick to eat, met up with the rest of our friends, and were on our way to the Songdo cable cars. A lot of gang in this thing. We walked along the Songdo Skywalk, which has great views of the beach and the ocean, before heading up to ride in the glass bottom cable cars. Who's excited for these cable cars?
So there's a little speaker.
Hey.
The turn up.
Hey.
It's real.
The turn up is
I
real.
can't take videos. I'm gonna use because I'm gonna interact the video.
Hey! On 3, we jump.
You about to use your life. You about to use your life.
Hey!
You acting up for no reason. As you exit the cable cars, there's a dinosaur park with mechanical dinosaurs made to look like the real deal. Look where this one's from.
Saskatchewan. Yes. Go on, Matilda.
Yes. Follow me, follow me, follow me.
Yes.
As per Lisa's birthday wish, we went to Shake Shack for her first time.
Now he's just giving up food, huh? For real. Oh yeah.
We went back to our hotel and had a little pool party before getting ready for the night. We went back to Yaman, the Jamaican bar, and visited a few other places throughout the night. We had a good time. That's it for our weekend in Busan, South Korea. Hope you guys like this video. Check us out in the next one. Bye!